Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to work with pages. The canvas where your images and drawings are displayed in TwistedBrush are called pages. The default page size is 800 to 600 pixels. This size can be changed according to your needs from the Set Page Size dialog in the page menu. The top area of the Set Page Size dialog are shortcuts for common sizes. When you click a button on the left, the list on the right will be updated with common choices for that category. Selecting from the list on the right will result in the width, height and units fields being updated. The Units drop-down box offers three choices: pixels, inches or millimeters. As any raster image editing software, TwistedBrush uses pixels as the measurement of the image. Inches and millimeters are useful if you intend to print your image. The resolution or pixels per inch need only to be set if you are using inches or millimeters as a unit of measure or if you intend to print your image. If you don't want to use the common sizes, you can enter the desired values in the width and height fields. If your page contains an image, you can automatically resize the image to fit your new page size by checking the Resize Image to Fit New Page Size option. The proportions of the image will be maintained. Press the OK button when done and the page will be set to the configured size. Changing the size of the page while keeping your image unchanged is possible. Usually, when importing an image to TwistedBrush, it fills up the entire page. To add additional space on the page, select again the Set Page Size option in the page menu. Change the width or height value with the desired sizes. And set the position marker on the current image on the new page. If, for example, you set the image to be aligned on the left, then the new page area will appear on the right side of the page. Click the OK button when you are ready. Notice that 100 pixels of additional page space are added on the right side. You can also add even space around an image with the Add Border option in the page menu. Just type the percentage of the image size you need to be added and click OK. TwistedBrush Pro Studio has some predefined one-click page size options available from the page menu. These are Set Page Size to Default, Set Page Size to Fill Space, Set Page Size to Fill Space Twice, Set Page Size to Previous Page Size and Set Page Size to Clone Source Page Size if you are using a tracing source. You can navigate through the different pages that you have saved in TwistedBrush through the navigation icons on the menu bar or in the Page Explorer tab. The summary of every tool, brush and filter used on your current page is kept in the Page Summary tab. You can access the page summary from the page menu. It is useful for helping to remember brushes or filters you used on a page.